you'll find a spot on your leg for our next form. It's below the knee bone. Just slide your fingers down and you'll feel a little soft pocket on the side of your leg. We're going to be tapping this point. So as you shift across, you're going to pick up your leg and we're going to tap either side. This foot will come down and we'll come back across, tap the other leg. Keep the tailbone anchored for the practice and your balance will be better. And also look into the distance. So when we have trouble with balance and focus go together, it could be because we're really flitting from one thing to the other and never really staying centered.